Hello YouTube, Todo here from Iron Coated Kitchen. Merry Christmas to all of you. Hope all of you had a great time, had a bit of nice food. Christmas is gone, so let's get back to real life. Me and my family are going for a 4-day trip to see my wife's parents in Romania. And I like to be prepared for journeys like that. Usually it takes us pretty much the best part of a day. So I'm not really keen on having sandwiches in the airplane. That's why I like to prepare my own food, and to make sure that it will last a bit longer without being refrigerated, I like to vacuum seal it. This is the vacuuming machine that you can find any on Amazon. I think this one was around 20 pounds. I'm using it for over a year now. It came with the bags, it came with plenty of bags. I've been to Spain, I've been to Bulgaria, we've been to Romania, so you have one size smaller and one bigger. I pre-cooked my chicken, I let it cool down, but I didn't refrigerate it because I found out that if you refrigerate it before you vacuum seal it, when you open the bag, it loses its tenderness. So I like to vacuum it first, and then I'll put it for the refrigerator overnight, and then they will go into my backpack and my hand luggage, and it will be ready to have at any point that I need some food. So I pre-scaled the bag, so it's 0 now. You take the bag, you fill it up with the amount you usually take per meal. In my case will be around 180 grams. So we have 177 grams. I can live with that. Really easy to use. Just share it. It has few programs. I want to use vacuum and seal. You press, you can hear it start vacuuming straight away. Now it seals it. It's a really short and very effective process. When the light is off, it means that it's done. That's it. The seal light came off, so that's it. It's done. And you can see my portion of chicken is ready. The vacuum food have 6 times longer life than just refrigerated, so you can't beat that. Another thing I want to show you is my traveling pill dispenser that I'm using for my daily vitamins, minerals and some supplements. This one has 7 compartments, so I'm covered pretty much. I reckon one of those full with the stuff that I need can last around a week in some of them, because obviously, like for example, Omega is the biggest pill and I take 4 a day, 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening. But if you need more, you can always do 2 compartments of the one that you need more, and then I think 7 is a good number. So yeah, this is what I wanted to share with you. Happy New Year, guys. Enjoy. Peace.